What's up, guys? It's your boy Pixis. Anyway, oh god. Now there has been like a bunch of stuff going on in the weather community, so I haven't really been making any cookie looking videos. I've just been doing my own thing. I've been making videos. I'm making videos for you guys. I'm making this video right now, and I freaking have 8 million cookie legs. Oh my god! What is the series you guys are watching? Okay, I have 18 sugar lumps. Those sugar lumps like to. Oh look, a frenzy! How wonderful! Anyway, we have some Cheetos to spend today. I hope you. Oh heck no! We have some Cheetos to spend, and we have Nan to spend. Anyway, we're gonna get this shipment power up, the frequent flyer. We're gonna get this bank power. How much are banks doing anyway? Our bank's grilling. Oh wait, I can get a time machine. Yeah, we'll do that. Time warp. Okay. I can definitely tell that that's gonna use up all my money. I'm gonna get that to 30 portals. Get this to 50. The sorcerer appearance. We'll get this to 80. We'll get this to 110. Oh crap! No, we used up our money. No! 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 We used up my money. 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 Matasuski. Matasuski. It'll all be over soon. No, it won't, Grandma. You'll be over soon. Also, guys, there has been this achievement where like you can get this achievement, tiny cookie. Oh, it's a tiny little cookie. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna say this right now. That I will not be in weird mode, okay? I just turned on serious mode, and we will play Cookie Clicker like the right way, okay? We won't be playing Cookie Clicker like we're freaking hooligans over here. We're just gonna play Cookie Clicker like it's like it's Raven. And we'll be great. We will be mighty fine awesome if we just stay focused. If you know what I mean. Okay, I got a lucky bonus cookie if we can get this factory power up. Now, if my correction's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so if my calculations are correct, if I get this factories are twice as efficient. If factories are twice as efficient, and if factories are producing 14,000, then it should produce 28,000. Oh no! I didn't get it right. Are you kidding me? Am I right? But that wasn't really right. You can tell it wasn't really right. Guys, I am literally that crazy. I will kill the factory in Cookie Clicker Town. You see this news? Do not settle in their portals, says Specialist. Your children will become strange and corrupted inside. Well, guess what? Your children shouldn't even eat cookies. You shouldn't even touch your cookies. I mean, you shouldn't even touch your children what cookies are. Because those children, they will get the cookies. They will get the milk with the Hershey syrup, and they'll freaking pour it, okay? They'll corrupt inside. Okay? They'll be... Yeah, they'll be like that, okay? They'll be fun. They'll be fun. Okay, we'll all be fine. It's not like my grandma's name is Peanut or anything. Wait a minute. Didn't we say that we'll be in serious mode? That never happened. Wanna know why it never happened? Because we have a frenzy right now. And frenzies mean cookie crazy, right? Yeah. Cookie crazy. you're crazy. I mean, why am I doing this? I just do this for like 18 minutes of pop art? Why am I doing this? Why is Christmas only have one time? What the freak is going on? What is this life? Alright guys, I'll see you in a couple of hours. I'll probably see you when it's 3 a.m. and Dami Tucosita is doing some doo-doos in the closet. Holy frick. No one cares about Dame Tucositas. Okay? Nobody cares about Dame Tucosita. Okay? Nobody cares. Okay? Oh my god, look at those cookies. They're so fascinating. You wanna know what else is fascinating? The series. And I'd rather keep the series as a perfect reminder. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to wait a couple hours to get more cookies. And then I'll catch you guys in a few. Spend some more cookies. I'll wait till I have about a few power-ups. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a few. Wait a minute. Okay, well, it seems like that my time machine is doing pretty good for itself. Doing 32% of our damage. And that's pretty good. Oh, well, it's not anymore. But, I mean, it was. Okay, I mean, it was. I hope that wasn't heard on sound. And there you go. Dude, this is like the worst Quick Clicker episode I've ever made. Look at this. I got the time machine. Are you seeing this? Yeah, review. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a few because this is filler. Like, literally. Okay, guys, we are back about a day later, and we've got some 12 trillion cookies. Can you believe it? Yeah. 12 trillion cookies. I love cookies. Alright, put on serious mode. Okay, serious mode is now on. Alright, let's try to see what we can get some stuff here. We can try unobtained mass. Clicking gains plus 1% of your CPS click per second. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd give like 7 trillion. Oh my god. Dude! Oh my god. Wait, we'll get 5 alchemy labs. Actually, let's get 10 alchemy labs. Yes, 10 alchemy labs. Meme review. It's meme review, guys. It's a meme review. Oh, golden cookie. Excuse me. Hey, look, we got a frenzy. Yay, we got a frenzy. We got a frenzy. We got a frenzy. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Wait, oh my god. So if I am doing the math correctly, since we are making 53,000, we should now be making about now we should be making about 103,000. Oh no, 106,000. Okay, and I'm a stupid idiot, and I am dumb. I need to go back to kindergarten. This is how things work nowadays. Okay, I have to go back to kindergarten. This is very great. This is very great. I have 18 sugar lumps, but this is very great. Cookies. I have them cookies. Crap! Ow! Oh, bro. Need to buy some more brand new mamas. No! Dude, this game is getting... Oh, look, I'm on prestige level 4. This is a super duper types of quipes of boring, don't you think? Brayden, I thought that a long time ago. I don't know why you're telling me this now. This cookie clicker thing is starting to get really boring. Don't you think it's a cheapo thing? What do you think? Do you like it? What do you like? Oh, it's another episode with the Doggies. I love the Doggies. I love to play guitars as well. Ah, what are you guys watching? I got a cookie, mate. And it's a lucky cookie. to Lucky Cooker. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah, you remember how I said on serious mode? No, you do not put on serious mode. You lied to us. Brayden, you know that lying is a sin. And you can go to... You could have just told me. What's this? Level 0 cursors. 0 extra Finkles. Finkles! Finkles! I said Finkles! Oh! Oh my god, bro. You cannot believe how dumb Brayden is. Whoever keeps disliking my video, just dislike this video as well because Brayden is a dumb idiot. Grandpa, you can go away now. This is my series. I've been starting this for like a long time. But you go away because this is my series. How about everybody just shush? You can go away, Screaming Man, too. I don't freaking know. What is going on, bro? So boring. This is boring. This is boring. I have nothing to do. You have nothing to do because guess what? Cookie Clicker basically betrayed you at this point. Oh my god, Grandpa, just shush, bro. We'll get some more cookies as time goes by. Brayden, everybody knows that you're always wrong. Grandpa, please just go away, bro. No. Fine. I'm just gonna see if I can level up my time machine. +1 for time machine. So I just spent it like a sugar lump, didn't I? Does that mean this will gain cookies per second? Well, I mean, it did a bit. Kinda. It kinda did. It's kinda made it better. Maybe it's not boring after all. How about we try to level up all of this? You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Yeah, bro, I feel you, okay? You don't have to say it a million times, Brayton. Brayton. I'm like, oh, that's a great idea. I'm gonna level up my grandma. No, I only have one more level left, so I'll level up my cursors. Why not? Okay, guys, I just leveled up my whole entire stats. How are you feeling now that I leveled up in total? I've also found the secret achievement where if you press this thing like 50 times, then it will give you an achievement. Let's try it out. Dang it. Hey, look, it gave me my achievement. The achievement I've wanted for a long time, actually. Yeah, I've been doing pretty good. How do you get sugar lumps? You have 0 sugar lumps. A sugar lump is you're attracted by your accomplishments. This sugar lump is mature and will ripen in an hour and 22 minutes. You may click it to harvest it now, but there is a chance you won't get anything. Your sugar lumps mature after 24 hours. 20 hours. Ripen after 23 hours and fall after 1 day. How do you get sugar lumps? What is this? Yo, what the heck? What is this? Dude, I am so lost. Ooh, a click frenzy. Dude, I am so lost right now. This might be a great episode. I'll try to figure out what that is exactly. I don't know. Dude, I gotta figure out what the freak is this. Stretch time. Affect all active buffs gain 12% more time up to. What does that mean? Does that mean something? Dude, what the freak? What is this? Dude.